If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Softphone, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log in. Access your Softphone account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where the pending transfer is located. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This area will display all your current and pending transfers, allowing you to manage them effectively. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Seshrook to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the transfer and options available for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option or button associated with the pending transfer. Click on it and confirm your decision when prompted to ensure the transfer is successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel pending transfer on Softphone. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support for help.